Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect Rocky Linux to Wi-Fi on VMware Workstation. So I have a Rocky Linux VM and I'm looking to have it connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the host machine. Now the host machine is a Windows 11 device, and before we can change the settings on VMware Workstation, we need to find out the name of the Wi-Fi interface on our host machine. On the bottom right of my Windows 11 machine, there's this Wi-Fi icon. If I right click on it and go to network and internet settings, you see that we have Wi-Fi here. You can click on this arrow here, and then we have the properties for the Wi-Fi. Just click on the arrow again, scroll down. We'll see there's this description here. So this is the name of the interface, Intel R Wi-Fi 6 AX200. Now there's another way we can find out the name. You can close this out. We can use the control panel. Just search for control panel here. We'll open the control panel, and then we'll go to network and internet. Next thing, we'll click on network and sharing center, then click on change adapter settings. Here you'll see a list of all the interfaces on the machine, in this case the Windows 11 host machine. For the Wi-Fi interface, there it is, and that's the name again. Okay, so now that we know the name, we can go ahead and change the settings on the VMware Workstation. You want to click on edit, then click on virtual network editor. So once you have this window here, you need to click on change settings. Click yes. Just click this to open it again. And here you'll see we have the name. It's a VMnet 0 for the bridged adapter. This is the one we're going to be focusing on. Then you have external connection. Now if you go down here, you have the same VMnet 0 bridged adapter here. And here is where you'll have to click on this down. You'll have to click on this down arrow here, and then find the name of that Wi-Fi interface. This is where you'll find it. So once you find it, you go ahead and select it. For us, it was this Intel R Wi-Fi 6 AX200. It was already selected. And then you'll need to click on apply, okay. So click apply, okay, and then okay, and it's done. The next thing we'll need to do is click this virtual machine here, right click on it and go to settings. Then you need to go to network adapter. Here you want to make sure you have bridge adapter selected. Now if by default you might have it select NAT. With NAT, you're just sharing the same IP address as the host machine. But with the bridge adapter, the VM will get its own IP address from the wireless router on the LAN, the local area network. So with that selected, you can click OK, then power on this virtual machine. And once it's powered on, we'll check the IP address to verify that it's on the same subnet as the host machine. Okay. Now I can open the command prompt on the Windows 11 host machine, and I can just run ipconfig to check the IP address. Now for the Wi-Fi interface, which is this one, the IP address is 192.168.1.120 right here. So the Rocky Linux VM should have an IP from this same subnet, but the last octet should be different. So let's go ahead and log in here. Okay, I'm logged in. I'm going to click here so I can open the terminal. You can also search for a terminal here. And then to check the IP, we'll just type IP address. And the IP address is 192.168.1.246. So as you can see, the last octet is different. It's 246. And on the host machine, it was 120. So it's different. Now with it having its own IP, we can ping it, and we can also access it remotely using tools like SSH. So I can go ahead and ping that IP of 192.168.1.246, and I'm able to ping it. We can go here and check for internet connectivity. We can verify that we have internet connectivity by pinging our website. We can ping google.com, send 3 pings. and I'm able to ping google.com. I sent 3 packets. I received 3. No packets were lost. So that verifies that we actually have internet connectivity. If you wanted to open a browser, you can go ahead and search for Firefox and just go to a website here. And I'm able to access this website. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect your Rocky Linux VM that's running on VMware Workstation to the Wi-Fi network. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.